Okay.
Hello and welcome to MFCP Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you a technique with a scroll saw or it's a jigsaw or saber saw called plunge cutting. Okay, it's not that easy to do. I know experienced woodworkers who cannot do this. Okay, because they don't pay attention. Okay, or they don't quite understand how it works. This is just a practice video. Okay, we want to put this together in a way that just show the technique. For safety's sake, I'm wearing safety glasses. While this is not a particularly dangerous thing to do, if you know what you're doing, it can be done quite safely. You do so at your own risk, though. I'm not going to take any responsibility for what anybody else does here. But I'm going to show you how it's done. This saber saw, I keep calling it a saber saw. This is a jigsaw. My son bought it at the thrift store for $3, was it? And all it needed was a new blade, because the blade that was on there was there. It would cut, but it was so dull it would hardly do any work. Plunge cut, for a lot of operations, you want to cut something out, and most people will drill a pilot hole, or a gate, they call it, to get the blade through. But you don't actually have to do that if you have enough room. This part of the saw is called the sole. We're going to use it as a pivot. We're going to set the machine up like this. We're going to get it up to speed, and we're going to pivot in. Now, it's important that this machine does not slide this way or this way. It's got to be straight plunge through. We get it up to speed, and we will slowly pivot it into the work. As you can see, I went in. This machine vibrates from side to side. I don't know why. But as you can see, very carefully, very slowly, you can pivot the machine into the work, and it will cut as long as it's sharp. This is a cheap machine. A better quality machine will run smoother, vibrate less, and will do it easier. But that's all there is to it. Very straightforward. So next time you're thinking to drill a pilot hole, you might not need to. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and we'll have more for you in the future.